Deep in an ancient forest, a traveler relied on his compass to guide him through the thick trees and winding paths. One day, the compass slipped from his hand and vanished into the underbrush. Panic set in. How could he find his way without it? But instead of turning back, he decided to trust the world around him. The sun's position in the sky, the moss growing only on the north side of trees, and the distant sound of a flowing river. Slowly, he learned to read nature's subtle signs, and step by step, found his way out of the forest. Sometimes losing your way helps you discover new paths and the wisdom within yourself.